Welcome back to another 8042 tutorial. In this quick video, we're going to be showing you how to add shortcuts into Google Docs. So for example, if we wanted to type out, 8482 media, all right, and we wanted a shortcut for this so that every time we typed something, for example, parentheses 8, it would automatically give us 8482 media. Now, what I'm about to show you, you can use for symbols, you can use for sentences, etc. Okay, so we're going to be adding shortcuts. We're going to come up here to our tools and down to preferences. All right, so click tools, preferences, and what we want to look under is substitutions. Okay, and we can create a new substitution. As you can see, you can review the substitutions that you already have, like for example 1/2, in different fractions, or the copyright symbol. And what we want to do here is we want to insert parentheses 8 with 8482 media. All right, we're going to go ahead and press OK. And now when we type in parentheses 8, every time it's going to automatically import 8482 media. So you can get creative with this. You can create your own shortcuts within Google Docs, but it's a super valuable tool to save you some time. That's tools, preferences, substitutions, and then typing whatever you want to replace with whatever you want the end shortcut to look like, pressing OK. No other steps are needed. It's going to automatically create that substitution and shortcut for you within Google Docs. So hopefully this helped you out. Please comment below if you have any questions on this tutorial, and drop your future ideas for tutorials in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel for all kinds of quick, simple, and effective tutorials within software products online.